Come on, Augustus. Oh, there's my big boy. Hi, big boy. Hi. What do you think? We've got quite the snow going on, don't we, huh? Yeah, we do. Where's your other buddies? Are they over here? Let's go get them. Oof. Wow. This is Patrick's new area. Oof. We haven't had a winter like this in at least 5 years. My goodness. There's the boys. There's the other boys. Wow. Are you in my pocket? Are you in my pocket? Is that what you're doing? Are you in Mama's pocket? Yes. Good boy. Hey, boys. You guys need some grain. I'm gonna go get you some grain, okay? Yeah. Help you with keeping you warm. Oops, sorry. Sorry, Charlie. Or Saul. Boy, I can hardly tell you two boys apart right now with all that snow on you. Hi, Saul.